guys, today we're gonna get rid of some earwing from our plant here. We added 2 teaspoons of dishwasher soap and 1 gallon of water. So we have to spray and get in the correct place from the earwing cleaner. They're usually hiding under the plant.
No, I can see that. Look how they are crawling up. Here another one, here another one, and here. Look. This guy. Don't spray anymore. You can see what's gonna happen. They are just gonna
try to run away, but they can't
because the soap is toxic. And we're just gonna roll over. It's all over under the plant. They like dark places. See? No more earwings. They are just laying here.
So subscribe
one
to
is
the
coming.
channel to get more awesome videos.
Okay, can you spray a little more, son? Yeah. Okay, another ones are coming. That's it. They are going, but they can't run. Wait. Let's see. This guy is running, but...
That's like a beetle.
Yeah, see, that's it. No more. It can't run anymore. No, this is a roly-poly. It's okay. Yeah, you see another one here. Let's try the other plant. Can you spray this one here? Let's see. Yeah, some more. Can you spray on roots? Are they coming out? Yeah, just wait. Yeah, they are coming out.
They look really weird.
Yeah, you see? That's it, wait. Yeah.
Like the video and share it with your friends. Subscribe, saying one more time.
Yeah, they are coming out, look. Yeah, just spray it. Oh, the other one is white. Let me see. Some wait. I wanna make a video of that one. It's pretty white. It's completely white. They are coming out. Yeah, but it's almost dead. Let me see if can I. Okay, they just gonna come out, but they cannot survive. They are just jumping from the rock. Oh, this one is so big. Look at this one. Yeah. Yeah, you see? Coming out. They are coming and falling down.
It's so funny. Bye. See you in the next video.